Hey there babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angelica and hi. So today we are going to go into the realm of skincare, and I've honestly found discovered my love for skincare. These past few months I've fallen in love with a new skincare routine. And all of these products that I'm going to be showing you guys are from drunkelephant. And this video is not sponsored, I swear this is going to be my honest 100% review on these products. And I'm grateful enough and fortunate enough to be getting these items, some of these items from my team at drunkelephant. So kisses, thank you so much for that. Been doing this exact skincare routine for the past 3 months, going on to 4. So 3 months going on to 4. So starting off, we are talking about my holy grail cleanser. It is the jelly cleanser. So in the mornings, our hands are already washed. Wash your hands, don't be nasty, especially right now. I put some cool water onto my face. Then I take my micro, I think that's how you call it, the material that it is. But I used to just wash my face using my hands, but I've now fallen in love with this cloth. If I can find a link for it, I'll link that for you guys down below. I take that and I dampen it with lukewarm water now. And I take my jelly cleanser. This jelly cleanser, it really has no fragrance to it. It just gets all of the dirt and the grime off of your face, and I love it for that. I do have dry to normal skin during the winter, and once like the spring and summer hits, like it's normal. My skin is sensitive though, so this whole entire line has honestly been, it's sensitive skin friendly. So I take this cleanser and I start washing my face using circular motions. It varies, and I sing the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air theme song in my head. I've learned that from Jackie Ina. Helps. 60 seconds, because a lot of people, you're not washing your skin long enough. So after doing that, I wring out my washcloth, and I take another corner of the washcloth, and I just like, not really swiping motions, but still a little bit of like circular motions. I take rest of the cleanser off of my face using lukewarm water. Again, you don't want too hot of water, because then it like can really sting your, I think that's how you say it, your skin. I'm still learning stuff, so bear with me. This is just what works for me. And I take off the cleanser with that, and then I go in with my dry towel. I use the same towel to dry my body as I do for my face, and this towel is from Calvin Klein. It is very soft, so it doesn't really affect my skin. Using dabbing motions, I dry my face. You do not want to pull at your skin. Pulling it down will cause and help in the process of giving you wrinkles, and we're not about them wrinkles. So after doing that, we're going to go into the realm of serums. I have some right here. I love the packaging of drunkelephant. Here's where my morning routine and my night routine vary. So in the mornings, so this is the daytime C Firma day serum, and this has honestly helped my skin so much. This is the C Firma Day Serum. This I put on daily, and it has helped with a lot of the hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin. So I know from a lot of girlfriends that are African descent, when it comes to dark spots, it's really hard to get rid of like that hyperpigmentation on your skin. Pumpkin fermented extract in it, and it is vitamin C like packed with it. Like all, like this is like honestly a little bundle of joy for dark spots. And being of a darker complexion, I can honestly say that this has worked so much for me, because a lot of the times you see a lot of products work for lighter skin better than it does for darker skin. So this has been amazing. And this is where the Be Hydra Attentive Hydration Serum comes into play, because you can use these serums together. So they are like essentially like a 2-in-1 if you mix them. And that's what I love about Drunkelephant, especially. You can mix their you can mix all of these serums together, like put a little pump of this with that, and it's like the perfect concoction for your skin. So the Be Hydra Intensive Serum, this is pineapple ceramide based and has provitamin B5 in it. And this is honestly like a drink for the skin. It is a cup of water for your skin. And I just feel so much more hydrated. And since I've been at home, I've changed it a little bit of what I'm putting onto my face compared to when I'm going out. So this is when my Protini comes in. You guys have seen this baby, and this will lock in your Be Hydra serum, because with the serum, the skin soaks it up and then it's gone sometimes. But with the Protini, I put this on and it locks everything in. So after putting the serums onto my face, I put a little bit of Protini onto my skin and it locks everything in, and I feel hydrated all day long. And now this is where going into about my night routine plays into. So during the day, just because I'm not really going out as much as I usually like do anymore, like now because we're quarantined, I'm not going out as often as I usually do. But one of these two of these products play into each other. So nightly, I use the TLC Frambuzo night serum, and this helps resurface your skin, and it's adorable. Like, look at it. It's like pink, and I love how all the like Drunkelephant products open. It's like, whoop, look at how adorable that is. But I put this onto my face, and this is like a toner for your face. It's not like the typical toner that everybody knows of, but this just tones my face and it eliminates that texture, and I only put this on nightly. So it's sort of like what the C Firma does. Like the C Firma helps during the day and get rid of those dark spots, while the Frambuzo helps take all that texture away from your face, and it's doing that at night. And another product that I only use nightly is, you can just see from how much I've used it, is the A Passiony Retinol Cream. So retinol, we've had this topic spoken about in my last skincare routine. I was using retinol, and this is a different like mixture of retinol. This is I forget, 1.0% retinol. This mixture, holy grail. Like, I swear to you guys, I love this thing. And I was using a less of a percentage of retinol the last video. I forget what the percentage was the last time. But this one, I put it onto all of my dark spots, and honestly, they've been fading. I have like a couple here and there, like, just because, you know, you pop a pimple, you can't help it. But this has just the formula of it. It doesn't like have that weird funky smell, at least to me, that like most retinols have, and has dramatically helped like this, Frambuzo, and T Firma. These three bad boys, they've helped with all the dark spots that I have had reoccurring problems with. During the day though, this is where I was telling you this will come into play. This is the sunscreen that I use. So when you are using retinol, you should be using a sunscreen with it. And I just use the Sheer Physical Daily Defense Protection sunscreen from Drunkelephant as well, and this has a SPF of 30. So I put this on during the day. I'm honestly in my house all day right now with quarantine, so I haven't been using this as much as I usually do, but a part of my like morning routine, I would be putting that onto my face because with retinol, I am only using this at night. I've slowly built up. I wasn't using it every night. I use it every other night, just so your skin doesn't get like used to it, and it can really dry out your skin if you're using too much of it. And with it, I use just like about like a little bit of a pea size of the retinol, and it's helped. And I'm still using it, building up, getting my skin to build up to get used to it. So we'll see where that takes my skin, but it's doing great so far. And then we're down to my last two products. So at the end of my night routine, I like to put the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I talked about this in my last skincare routine, but now I have the jar, and it's just, look at, so cute. Everything is just adorable from Drunkelephant. But I put this to lock in and seal my face, and all of these products, you need to use it on your face and your neck. I had like little spots that were on my chest, and they're slowly fading away now. But I also use this oil on my chest as well. And this is just like, I want to say, like, how would you describe this? Like, every product has its reasoning, but this just really like puts a glow back into the skin. And like right now, I don't have any like product on my face right now. I don't have any makeup, like nothing's on my skin, and this oil just like gives you that punch of like of glow. It just puts glow back into your skin. I don't feel like a grease ball after putting on my face, and I have white sheets, so I can tell you that it does not make all of my stuff greasy. And lastly, the biggest actually, yeah, I take that back. Between my retinol and this product, that's how my skin's been getting its kickback. So this is the TLC Sucre Baby Facial. This bad boy it's called a baby facial. It resurfaces your skin like that. So this I only use weekly. I wash my face and then I dry it off, and I put on this face mask. If it would focus, please. Like, everything isn't focusing today, and it's pissing me off. You leave it on for 20 minutes. And honestly, it stings a little bit, but that just means it's doing its job. It's honestly resurfacing your face, and it's called a baby facial because it makes your skin feel brand new. And after this, I take the same washcloth that I showed you guys, and warm water, and I take it right off of my face, and perfect set. This is just a resurfacer of the skin, and it slowly builds off of your skin and just gives you a new layer of skin. That's what I feel like it's been doing. And like, I can show you guys some problem spots I had were around my mouth, and those honestly have been going away, and I had a lot of dark spots on my forehead and on my cheeks, and I just have like a couple right here, but they honestly are fading away, and I am so thankful and grateful for all of these products for doing that job for me. It is quite pricey. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is quite pricey, but these products honestly last you for so long. And if you are keeping up with your skincare routine, and you are doing the necessities and using, like, how would I say it? It doesn't matter. Let me say this. It doesn't matter the tools that you are given. It matters how you use it. So you don't have to have all of like Drunk Elephant products like I do. I understand that price range may not be in everybody's price range at the moment. But if you have certain products, use them and adapt them to what you need them to do. So you can find a little bit of a lower priced retinol. You can find a lower priced face mask that can revive and do all those things like the baby facial does. I stand by these products and absolutely love what they do to my skin and what the outcome has been, and I'm still watching and learning just as you are. I'm not like a guru or anything, I'm not saying that, but these are the tools that have helped me with my skin. So if it can help any of you, that would be amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was like a little bit informational, I think that's how you say it, to you all, and helped in any such way. But I love you guys. Kisses to my bitches. Stay hydrated, kids. Drink your water. Mind your business. Stay in your house. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, lovelies.